What's up everybody, Kevin here, and we are back with another episode of Strings KeyWord. This is part 5 of Strings KeyWord. Now in this video we are going to talk about insert, IsNullOrEmpty, and join keyword. Now let's start the video. First we start with join keyword. The first thing for join keyword, we need series of strings. That means we need array. We create an array and I wrote Kevin the tech lover in separate index of an array. And then the output of join keyword is another string. That means we need another string to store the result of join keyword. I created another variable of string and I wrote string.join. Then we have two input for join keyword. The first one is separator, the string that we use to separate these strings. Our second input, or better to say our second series of input, our values which we have in our array. We can write str index 0, str index 1, str index 2, and str index 3 to join all these strings together. And then we print str2 to show you the result. As you can see, between all of them we have our separator. Kevin separator, the separator, tech separator, and lover. Or else we can do another thing. You remove them and just rewrite str1, the whole array, and it will do the work exactly the same as the last one. And that's it for join keyword. Next up we have insert keyword. For insert keyword we need one string, and I wrote here string str1 equals Kevin, exactly the same as join keyword. The output of insert keyword is also another string. I created str2 and I wrote equals str1.insert. Insert also have two inputs. The first one is for the index that we want to start, and the second one is our string that we want to add to our string. In this case, I choose the starting point of my string as index 5. I printed it, and as you can see, the result is Kevin the tech lover here. The starting point of the tech lover is index 5. And just to show you the difference, I chose the starting point as index 0. And the result will be the tech lover Kevin. And that's it for insert keyword. Next we have IsNullOrEmpty keyword. IsNullOrEmpty keyword is a keyword that checks if our string variable is null or empty. The output of this keyword is a boolean. First we need a string, which I wrote here as Kevin, and I created a boolean bool b1 equals string dot IsNullOrEmpty. The input is our string that we want to be checked. str1 I wrote here, and I print b1 to see the result. As you can see, our string is not null, is not empty. That means the boolean is false. And if I remove the Kevin and start the program again, the results will be true, which is completely right. Our string is empty. Or if I choose that as null, the output also will be true. And that's right. And that's it for this video, guys. thanks for watching. Hope you find this video helpful and you liked it. Be safe, take care, hope you have an awesome day, and peace out.